Board has today said that they will be dedicating a fixed slot for Sindhi on another regional channel. It will be specifically called DD Sindhi, and there will be programs aired on that. They are committed. They are saying that they are exploring this possibility. The petition has been kept after 3 months, so that what they are exploring today will take material form. So at the moment, the situation is that there will be Sindhi content on a dedicated slot in another regional channel.
And this is going to be a DD Sindhi.
This is going to be called DD Sindhi. Yes, this slot will be called DD Sindhi.
Are you happy with today's outcome of this judgment?
It is a big step forward, and I think that once this DD Sindhi slot starts getting viewership and starts becoming a success, the next step will be to get a full-fledged 24-hour Doordarshan Sindhi program.
So what do you advise people? What to do? How do we really put pressure?
There's no question of putting pressure. I think the government is very sympathetic. They realize that Sindhi language is a recognized script. Other regional languages have been given DD channel. And it's about time they realize that even the Sindhis, even though they are scattered and maybe all over the country and only 26 lakhs, they realize that there is a strong need to fulfill the cultural aspirations of the Sindhi people.
So, Jai Jhulelal Chavanasi.
Jai Jhulelal.
Thank you.